It's now time for section 1. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point, and earlier we had the toss and sent Hughes Prep 1 and decided to send McIntosh Memorial Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with McIntosh Memorial Primary. Bible knowledge: which judge delivered Israel from the Midianites, Samson or Gideon?
Gideon.
Correct. St. Hugh's Bible knowledge: which priest was a mentor to Samuel? Was it Eli or Aaron?
Eli.
Correct. International affairs: a visual question, McIntosh. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Bangladesh.
Correct. St. Hugh's International affairs: a visual question for you also. Look at the monitor and identify which country's flag is displayed.
Russia.
Correct. Science, McIntosh Memorial: what is the name for the amount of mass in a specific place?
Matter.
Incorrect. Density. Science, St. Hugh's: what is the name for the use of sound waves by animals such as bats to locate animals and other objects in their surroundings? Echolocation is correct. McIntosh Memorial: television, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this cartoon character.
Yosemite Sam.
Correct. Television, a visual question. St. Hugh's: look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Bulldog.
Incomplete. Hector the Bulldog.
Oh. We're close.
McIntosh Memorial: English language. What is the adjective in this sentence? Several boys will be going on the trip to the country.
Several.
Correct. St. Hugh's English language. What is the adjective in this sentence? The girl looked pale after seeing the thief.
Pale.
Correct. Sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Muhammad Ali.
Incorrect. Mike Tyson, former heavyweight boxer.
Oh my God.
St. Hugh's sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Muhammad Ali.
Correct. General knowledge: McIntosh Memorial. In which U.S. state is the Yellowstone National Park?
I have no idea. Washington.
Incorrect. Wyoming. General knowledge: St. Hugh's. In which U.S. state is the Golden Gate Bridge?
San Francisco. California.
Correct. McIntosh. Social studies. Which Jamaican formed the People's Political Party?
PPP. We just we don't know that one. Say no one.
Your time has passed. Would you like to try, St. Hugh's?
Yes, please. Marcus Garvey.
Correct.
No.
Your question, St. Hugh's. Which Jamaican was the first president of the People's National Party?
Norman Manley.
Correct. Music, McIntosh. Which Jamaican-born singer is known as Junior Gong?
Damian Marley.
Correct. Music, St. Hugh's. Which Jamaican-born singer is known as the Strong One?
Itana.
Correct. Mathematics, McIntosh Memorial. What is the value of 0.89 multiplied by 10,000? Time has passed. Would you like to try, St. Hugh's?
Yes, please. 8900.
Correct. St. Hugh's Mathematics. What is the value of 6.10 multiplied by 100,000?
61000.
Correct. That's the end of section 1. The scores are St. Hugh's Prep on 11 and McIntosh Memorial Primary on 5. Now, before we head to the break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. If you lose focus easily, keep all distractions out of sight and out of mind. This may involve placing your gaming console in a drawer, putting pets in another room, and temporarily shutting off the TV and notifications for social media apps. That's our friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.